Hi beauties, we have Lip Monthly. This is the lip subscription box. So Lip Monthly, well, it's not really a box, it's just a subscription. But yeah, every month you get 4 to 5 full-size lip products. So this one is the one for February 2020. Let's see what's inside. First we have the Appeal Ultra Creme Lipstick. So let me show you what that looks like. It looks fabulous. So that is right here. Look at that. Beautiful. I like that design. Next is the Lip Monthly Liquid Lipstick. Let's see how that looks. Amazing. There it is. Look at that. Nice and rich. It's a nice matte color that is long lasting. Next we have Bella Pierre Super Gloss. See how that looks. Ooh, that looks nice and juicy. Yeah, so that's this one here. Look at that. Nice and shiny and smooth. And then, what else do we have? Oh, we have this Modelco lip oil. So this is a nice sheer lip oil conditioning. And that's this one right here. Perfect for luscious lips. So check it out for yourself. I'll have the link below. This is a Lip Monthly. Thank you.